Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show step by step how to turn off auto download photos in WhatsApp. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp and click on top right 3 dots. Now here you have to click on settings. After that you have to scroll down and click on storage and data. Now here you have to click on this media auto downloads. Now tap on when using mobile data. Now here you remove the photo from selected. And click on OK button. After that, click on when connected on Wi-Fi below. Now remove the photo here also. Now any photo sent to you will not be automatically downloaded to your mobile phone. In this way you can turn off auto download photos in WhatsApp.